Hi there, this is Rob, and this is the 2-minute overnight overview for Friday. First, I'll do a quick check of yesterday's odds and last night's action. Then I'll show some research explaining why today's closing direction could have a big impact on Monday's open. Here's a look at the odds sheet from Thursday afternoon. You'll note that none of the averages are appearing highlighted in either green or orange. This means that none of them met the minimum criteria for either bullish or bearish trade. I'm not going to spend much time dwelling on this today. There wasn't much compelling evidence, so I did not take an overnight trade. Let's take a look and see how the night played out. After settling at 1423.25 on Thursday, futures traded sideways throughout the night, but the employment report got people excited, and we saw a huge pop after its announcement. When the market opened at 9:30, ES was up 7.5 points, but selling came in right at the open, and as you can see, now it's questionable whether the market will close up or down. I don't normally show research on Fridays, but I decided to today since it's been a short weekend and I haven't shown much to this point. So I'm going to show a couple of tests that suggest closing direction today could have an impact on where we open Monday. Both tests look at other times where today is an employment day and the market closed up greater than 1% yesterday. This first one also requires a down close today. Since 2000, there have been 10 instances. 7 were followed by gaps up and 3 by gaps down. The average instance saw a gap up of about 2.5 points, and the next day the profit factor for longs is a little over 2. Okay. Now let's look back and see what happens if I change the criteria. And this time, I'm going to require today to close positive rather than negative. Just that simple switch, and here we see that there's 3 instances of gapped higher, and now 13 have gapped lower. You also note that the profit factor has inverted. While the number of instances is a little low in both cases, the polar opposite results suggest today's closing value carries some weight over the weekend. Hope your weekend is a good one. Thanks for listening, and rest easy.